We're going to take a look at the Agility Intelligence Suite. The Agility Intelligence Suite is made up of these 5 applications. The interpreter, which helps you bring in unstructured documents like a PDF or maybe an Excel spreadsheet or a Word document or just even simple text, and be able to create documents in Macola with little effort. The Agility Packing application helps you look at sales orders going to one shipping address. You take the sales order, you print the pick ticket, and then you go to the packing application and it will tell you how to pack up those items the most efficient way based on the weights and dimensions and boxes that you have. The Agility agent is your friend. You can talk to Macola in your natural language and it will bring back information for you automatically. The Fusion application, which we're going to look at today, is an application that's designed to be a simple whiteboard scheduler. It takes a look at your work orders and other options that you have to help you put together an optimal work plan for the shop. And the AI automation tool is an application similar to the Event Manager, but different in that it has the entire WiSys business library behind it to do functions. The Agility Fusion Scheduler has a dashboard interface, and the results will be produced into a Gantt chart or a list of orders and due dates that you need to work on. Let's take a look. Here's the Agility Intelligence menu. We'll just hover over this panel, click Go to Fusion. When the dashboard opens, you can see all the things you need to do or pay attention to: scheduled, unscheduled, past due, active. Down here are some things that help you get started. And there's also a lot of work to get this thing set up. If you look down here, there's users and roles. There are reports that you can print off. There's configurations for routings and holidays and downtime. Resources like machines. And then your departments, your work centers, shifts, employees, and skills. All of that can be set up. But basically what you end up with is scheduling and work orders, and then your particular stuff you need to do under My Dashboard, My Schedule. So simply to get started, the best way to go is to come in here and look at your work orders. And you can create a work order, or you could go get things from POP and Shop Floor right here. This will drill down into your Macola and bring back orders that you want to work on. I'm going to work on these 3 that I've already pulled in. So now I'll come up here to Schedule. And what I'll do is I'll click on the work orders that I've got in my view and simply just push one of these 2 buttons, Auto Schedule or Optimize. You have a couple options to forward or backward schedule, turn on different constraints that you want to work on. But when you're done, you're going to get a Gantt chart of all the different work orders. And of course, you have other things you can do. When you are done with this, you save this. It'll write the data back to the POP or shop order, and then you will carry on, and you can use this, and you can look at My Schedule and Production Reporting here, and this would tell you what you need to do. That's assuming you've pressed the Schedule Save Plan. And then you have your own little dashboard here where you can clock in and clock out of jobs. That's about as simple as it gets. Come in and look at your work orders and schedule. I hope you give it a try when you have a chance. Thank you.